welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button. Let's get on with the show. So XRP bounces at long-term support. So XRP has been moving upwards since bouncing from 62 cents, right, which seems like a million miles away, right? So far, it has managed to reach a high of $1.35 on August 15th. And the token has been moving downward since. Yes, we know. We've been watching this every day, right? But strong indicators are now suggesting that we are finally ready for a strong resistance and an upside, and we're ready to move. I wanted to kick off with this because I know that some of you are getting impatient, 15 days of the price going down, and suddenly all the hopes and dreams and all the research that you did goes right out the window. It's just human psychology, right? It means that you haven't done enough research, right? It means that there are still some things that make you doubt about what you invested in, which is completely fine, right? I mean, we all have things in our portfolio that we're not really super confident about. Just make sure that you do your research on it, right? Because we are about to kick off a major storm, and I don't want you to miss out. And it's not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I want you to do the right thing for your own portfolio. And that's not just to say with XRP, but that's with any token that's in your account. Make sure you do the right thing by your account. Now, Ripple files motion to expose XRP holdings of SEC employees. We spoke about it yesterday. We're going to speak about it again. It's that big of a deal. It's traveling all over the internet, right? This is a major deal. Should Ripple be successful in this, it is game over. Out. See you later. We're out of here. Hope to never see the SEC again touch Ripple with a 10-foot pole. That's how much of a big deal it is. And we'll keep a very close eye. Now, Singapore Central Bank shortlist 15 companies to develop its retail CBDC. And do you want to know why? One of those companies is a Ripple partner. Surprise. Now, this would be a major breakthrough. Yes, Philippines is cool. South Korea is cool. All this stuff. But getting Singapore CBDC retail plan built on the Ripple XRP blockchain, that would be monstrous, right? Singapore is a very big deal out there in the world. And this would be some news. So we'll keep a close eye. They're down to 15. Let's see how they go in the elimination process. Now, from a price point of view, obviously we've got key support levels at $1.10, $1.05, and 92 cents. And key resistance levels $1.25, $1.28, and $1.36. I love Crypto Potato and how they do this stuff. And look, one of the best news websites when it comes to this. Really clean. Very nice. I love how simple they make it look. And look, we are ready to get these 125s, 128s, and 136, and we'll go over that in a little moment. Now, Ripple's recent motion, as I mentioned, is traveling the world, and it is very important for how we progress. And today in America, but unfortunately for us, will be 1st of September. There is a very important meeting happening between the SEC and Ripple, and I can't wait for tomorrow to bring to you all the news on what comes out of that. So it's going to be a very exciting day. Now, Ripple may have to wait before settling SEC lawsuit, according to legal expert Jeremy Hogan. So Jeremy Hogan has come out saying, guys, slow down with the settlement talks because there could be a very high possibility that this could drag on into 2022. So I like Jeremy Hogan, and he's been fantastic throughout this case to keep us updated with what's going on. I think he's being a little bit more conservative. I think, of course, you're a lawyer, you have to be conservative, right? It's his whole game plan. But I don't think so, right? I mean, my own personal research, what I'm up to, the way that I see this playing out, I really do strongly see a settlement happening in September. But let's see. I like Jeremy Hogan, and we'll keep up to date with what he says and what he's about. Look, the formation that we're building right now, I think we are just about ready to kick off towards $2. We're not that far away. We can see here the 10, 11 moves. 11th move is going to be a big one, right? So let's see how this plays out. Now, when we look at support levels, you know, yes, $1.05 is a very important support level. But again, as we mentioned, $1.93 and 83 cents are still there. They're still relevant. Of course, as the price has not moved yet, we do have to mention them because they could still be a possibility. Now, for those of you who don't understand how on-demand liquidity works, you got the sender, you got the fund sender XRP wallet, which goes into the XRP wallet. You got the XRP ledger, and then you got the receiver's wallet, right? The XRP converted fiat by receiver. And then we got receiver pays out to local beneficiaries, and then the beneficiaries can be whoever. But the XRP ledger is that bridge between the receiver and the sender. And the XRP converted to fiat by the receiver as well. So just be mindful of how this structure works and why on-demand liquidity is so cool, so important. And it's important for you to wrap your head around that because it is that important. Now, there have been a lot of talks about ISO 20022, which will go live. Will go live June 2022. XRP will hit 4 to 5 digits in June 2022. XRP price out average 100 to 120 after lawsuit and Ripple's shock listing on the Nasdaq. XRP, lots of people don't know what they hold. I mean, I like what you got. I like what XRP Captain 590 is going on here. Very, very popular tweet. Let's just get to 14 first. Then we'll worry about ISO 20022. If you want me to talk about it, I'll be more than happy to make a video just on that, on ISO 20022. Let me know in the comments, right? I mean, this is your channel as much as it is my channel. Whatever value you want me to bring to you, I'll be more than happy to. But if you understand anything about charts, this gets pretty exciting, right? So this formation that is coming, we can't wait. We cannot absolutely wait because the explosion that will come after this retest will be legendary. Let's have a look in Italian. Let's have a look at some of the indicators. So as we begin to look at the indicators, we can oversee here on the, I'm looking at the daily right now. We can see that it's still in a bearish trend, 1% down, $1.11 at the moment, but really nothing has happened over the last 24 hours, right? I mean, we did touch $1.09. Then we went all the way to $1.12. Now we're sitting at $1.11, but not much movement has happened, and you know it is still sitting in a bearish trend. While some other coins are doing really well. So you got Polkadot 7% up, Solana almost 20% up. We're looking at the 4-hour. We were outside the Bollinger Band at $1.09, and now we're coming back in. So I don't think we're going to be going out of the Bollinger Band again. On the 12-hour, when we look at the 12-hour, I can see, you know, again, very little movement. And then on the daily, not that much. So right now, from an indicator's point of view, very similar to yesterday, right? Not much action happening. Not much. Are we going up or are we going down? Obviously, we know that this is a ticking time bomb and we are going to go up. But at the moment, from an indicator point of view, you got nothing to suggest. So best move is no move. Unless, of course, if you've got a long-term mindset and you're willing to hold to, you know, double, triple digits even. Some of you I know are going to be holding until triple digits. Then this stuff really doesn't matter too much, right? But don't miss the opportunity by getting greedy thinking I'm going to get an 80 cents entry and 90 cents entry because you might not. You could, but you might not. And I just wanted to clarify that. Let's have a look at some drawings. So from a drawings point of view, I want to kick off with some targets, right? Target number one, $1.34, $1.44, and $1.52. If you're a day trader, great pricing, right? But you got to wait for this formation to finish to get that confirmation and then kick off. But I just wanted to mention that because it is a possibility. Now, chances of going down versus chances of going up. 79% chance of going up and 21% chances of going down. I just wanted to mention that. And if we are going down, we're going down to about 90 cents, maybe maximum 85 cents. Just want to make sure that you guys are aware of that. Now, from here, and this is, you know, looking at, you know, all some of the other coins which are important to mention as well, because it is all relevant to how dominant the entire industry will be. You know, Ethereum will be going way past 7,000, and I want to make sure you guys are aware of that because that is all relevant to how much the momentum the entire industry is going to have, not just XRP. XRP is part of the industry. It's a separate beast, but still part of the industry and still relevant towards hitting these, you know, double-digit numbers. You know, we want the whole industry to do well. So again, $1.34, $1.59, $1.76, $2. They are great to take profits. You know, if you're a short-term trader, very nice. Now, the other thing to look out for at the moment is we could be making this type of formation. And so just be on the lookout for that, but wait for $1.16, $1.17, a retest of $1.13, and then you'll know for sure that we're on an uptrend. Better safe than sorry is really the motto here. Are we going to double digits? Yes. In 2021, I do believe that we're going to double digits. It's not financial advice. This is just one person's opinion. But I do believe that based on my research, we are going to see $14 and beyond. So for now, we're waiting for this critical test that we are definitely on an uptrend. Once we have it, then we will be on our way towards $2 and then hitting all the major milestones that we've been talking about. So patience, guys. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.